Eating vegan can be expensive, but eating vegan can also be really cheap, affordable, healthy, and delicious. Welcome to my channel. I'm Charlotte. So today I'm going to be showing you a Korean soybean stew that only costs $2 per serving. That's about 8 ringgit if you live in Malaysia, and that is less than half the price that you'd find in a restaurant. I make this so often because it's such a comforting meal. Not only is it so easy to make, it is also incredibly flavorful. I hope you enjoy this video and let's get cooking. We're going to start by cooking some Japanese short grain rice. I'm washing the rice with clean water 3 to 4 times until the water is clear. I'm steaming the rice with equal parts of water. For 25 minutes. For the stew, I'm slicing up 2 medium shallots. I'm mincing 2 medium cloves of garlic. Slice 1 large zucchini into 1-inch slices. Then cut them into quarters. Cut 3 king oyster mushrooms into 1-inch pieces. Then cut them into half. Drain your soft tofu and cut them into 3/4 of an inch cubes. In a pot, heat up 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Saute your sliced shallots on medium-low heat. Saute until they're softened and they have a slight brown color. Add in your minced garlic and saute for 1 to 2 minutes. Add in 3 cups of water and bring it to a boil. Add in 2 tablespoons of miso paste and 2.5 tablespoons of gochujang paste. Stir until it's all dissolved. When your broth is coming to a boil, add in all your vegetables and tofu. Cover it and let it boil for 5 to 6 minutes. Remove it from the heat and garnish with some fresh spring onions. Fluff up your cooked rice. Now your stew is ready to be served. I hope you enjoyed this video, and let's get into the taste test. So good. Sometimes I eat this stew with some Korean potato starch noodles. Those ramen noodles are so delicious. definitely rice is the healthier option. This recipe makes about 2 to 3 servings. It could be 2 large servings, so you will be really full and satisfied with this meal. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm so happy with how this stew came out. Let me know if you try out this recipe and subscribe for more vegan wholesome recipes. Like if you enjoyed watching this video, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye.